In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an entry in Freshbooks. Whether it's by mistake or because the transaction is no longer relevant, knowing how to clean up your Freshbooks account is essential to keeping your financial records accurate and organized. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the relevant section of your Freshbooks account. Depending on what type of entry you're looking to delete, this might be in the Expenses, Payments, or Accounting section. Think of these as different file drawers where specific types of financial documents are stored. By accessing the correct drawer, you'll be able to easily locate the entry that you need to dispose of. Once you've honed in on the right section, the next task is finding the specific entry you wish to delete. This step might be straightforward if you know the entry date or amount, but it might require some searching if you're not quite sure. Take your time here to ensure you're selecting the correct item. It's like finding the exact piece of paper you want to remove from a filing cabinet. You wouldn't want to mistakenly delete another important document. After you've pinpointed the entry in question, it's time to initiate the deletion process. Hover your mouse over the entry, and you should see a trash can icon or a similar delete option appear. This visual cue is like a digital eraser ready to help you clean up your records. Clicking this icon is the first action to take before the entry is permanently removed. However, Freshbooks is designed with safeguards to prevent accidental data loss, so you're not quite finished yet. Once you click that delete icon, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. This is a critical step, serving as a double check to ensure that you're fully aware of the changes you're about to make. Carefully read the prompt, and if you're confident that deletion is the right action, go ahead and confirm your choice. And there you have it. Your selected entry in Freshbooks is now deleted, streamlining your accounting records and helping to maintain neat and precise financial records. Remember, taking these steps thoughtfully ensures that your Freshbooks account accurately reflects your business's financial standing. Deleting entries can seem daunting at first, but with this guide, you'll find that it's a straightforward task that, with practice, becomes a simple part of your financial management routine. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other Freshbooks questions or need further guidance, feel free to explore more content.